This 2020 Dutchmen Endurance 3586 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, spare tire kit, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, oven, leveling jacks, refrigerator, external shower, awning, water heater, and 92 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Dutchmen Endurance 3586 is 12,175 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.